Good morning, children. How are you? Today we will learn one sound story from Fun with English book and page number 56 and 57. Letter is S, but the sound of letter S is S. I will read the words sofa, sun, Sita, suitcase, soap, skirt, socks, skates, scooter, snake, staircase, and Samir. Now I will read the words, read the story of these words. Sita was sitting near the sofa and packing her suitcase. Sky was clear and stars were shining. Suddenly, a big snake came and Samir got scared and ran up the staircase. Now, see here, skates, socks, skirt and soap was lying on the floor. Children, read the words and learn the story. Send your videos to Bharti ma'am. Thank you.